sir, can you help me? The man is a heartless beast, he is.
What man?
That guard upon the line, sir. He will not let me set my dear brother on the train. He says it must be opened.
Cruel rogue. We'll have your brother on the train. There's, no need to open it. I see you have Bateson's belfry here.
Oh, yes, sir. Me brother. He was always terrible afraid of being buried alive, so here's the safety.
Very thoughtful, I'm sure. Just you dry your eyes. All will be well.
Thank you, sir.
I'll just, get this business finished. How could you be so cruel as to
I only
suggest that?
told her the new rules. All containers to be open.
Yes, I know. You smell it. I think in this case we can make an exception.
Whatever you say.
Nephew.
Uncle.
Nephew. Mind your duties this morning. Open every parcel and make no exception. No exception.
Yes, Uncle.
What's that ungodly stink?
Yeah.
Scheduled for the morning train, is it?
Yes, Uncle.
See if you open it.
But, Uncle,
No stomach for it, eh? Dear God, you're a delicate one. All right, then I'll do it myself. But opened it must be.
Oh, my dear brother! Oh, Richard, dear! Richard, he lives! He lives! Oh, he's alive! Oh, make haste, he's alive! Oh, praise God, he's alive! Oh, he's alive! Hurry, hurry!
Missy,
It's too late! I knew it was not cholera!
Cholera?
He was a quack to say it! I knew it! Hurry,
yes,
hurry!
of course.
It's been 5 days since I put it to hear the
You say cholera? 5 days?
Richard! Oh! Oh, no. Oh, how can it be? I heard the bell. Did you not? I heard it plain. The bell rang.
No, Missy. A gust of wind, a tremor on the ground. I'm sorry.
But I heard it.
Focus on. Sharp now. Come along, look sharp. Steady. Steady now. Stand aside there. Careful. That's right. Over here. Set it to your right. Set it down.
You're right.
Careful.
I think you've a little more colour in your cheeks now.
Yes, I feel much better now, thank you.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye, miss.
All right for you lot. I'm going to be locked in here with it. Rather you than me, mate.